Hey guys, just Jani. Quick tip. You can get a lot of different kits and supplies for your hollow knife handles from wood turning shops. So what I mean is a lot of the things designed for wood turners, like this pizza cutter, they give you all the parts in the kit and a little instruction how to do it. And you're supposed to turn your piece of wood and attach it. But a lot of these will work with your hollow knife handles. So here's what a kit looks like. This is the pizza cutter. I have never put one together yet. I just got this one. So you get the kit and the instructions. So on the back, it's for the wood turning, so we don't need that. Very simple to put your handle together. And it does come with this piece that your round piece of wood would go on. Let me put this in here. This is how it's supposed to go. But you can see if you put this on here, you have this big space. It's useless. So for mine, I'm going to get rid of that. I'm going to just glue mine in because it's already pretty tight fit. I could probably just push it on there and it'd be fine. But I am going to glue mine. But you can see when you have it all put together, that's going to work for a hollow knife handle. Another one I've done, the seam ripper. Let's see, I think the pizza cutters I got at Exotic Blanks. I'll put links to these in the description. This one is from Turner's Warehouse. These are my favorite seam rippers because you can turn it over and it stores inside of itself. Now they were out of stock for a while, but point is they are a wood turning project. Another one is this bracelet buddy or roach clip. I got mine from a wood turning shop because it has this nice end on it. When you buy them just at, say, Walmart or Hobby Lobby, the end is meant to be just crimped on something and they're not real sturdy. So this one actually has a round end that fits nice. And I just think it looks better. So you can get a lot of great projects at these wood turning stores. So when you go to a wood turning store, you need to look up projects or project kits, and that's where you're going to find all these kind of things, and you'll get a lot of other ideas. I've also done the crochet hooks. That works really well. And of course I've got the seam ripper. Oh, I have letter openers and some other things that I have not done that I think would work really well. Is there's a honey dipper, a vegetable peeler, ice cream scoops, and you can just get other ideas. Even if you don't need their parts, you might see something like I saw a candlestick holder, and it's meant to have a plain candle set on top of it, so it had the base and the top, and you're supposed to turn the piece of wood for the middle. Well, probably if you had a long knife handle, you could cut a hole in the end, and that would be your center, and you'd have the top and the bottom. So lots of ideas. So check out the wood turning stores like Turner's Warehouse, Exotic Blanks, Wood Turners catalogs. And again, I'll put links to those in the description. Hope this helps you out. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe.